Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. The Storey Apartments in Dallas, Texas. And this is my 1 minute walkthrough. It's going to be a little bit over a minute typically, but I'm just showing you what it's like. This is a really pretty kitchen. Really nice island that's here. It's a very beautiful mudroom that's here too. And then you've got just a gorgeous area here too for the living room. It's really pretty. It's big enough to fit. You could even have a sectional in here. They've got a couch and two chairs, and you do have a really nice, cute balcony. You can definitely get out on it, and then stick a chair out there too. In this case, it's overlooking the pool. So how cool is that? This is this living room. Now we're going to go into the bedroom, so you can see that briefly. There's the bedroom. It's really cute. And then here's the bathroom. The bathroom's also adorable, really cute. And it's got dual sinks and lighting. And here is the wonderful shower tub. That's adorable and cute. And then here's the closet. So that's your 1 minute or so walkthrough of this really pretty apartment at the Storey. Hey, if you're ready to take a virtual tour that's personalized to you, or if you want to do a live tour of this apartment and even compare to other apartments, we can set all that up. It's 100% free to work with us, and we can do that right now. So send the text, use our 100% free service. We always get you the best deal. We always save you time, and we love our satisfied clients. Hey, look us up on Google. We're 5 stars. We love taking care of our clients, and we'll take care of you just in the same way. So send that text below any time of day or night.